Howdy y'all, it's Russell back, and on today's video I am going to be doing a 13-month review and follow-up of Adams Polish's graphene coating. 13 months ago I applied the coating to the Chevy LCF box truck, the cab of it, and I have not washed the cab of that truck since I applied that coating 13 months ago. You're going to see what it looks like in a minute. It's disgusting. Why did I do this? Well, number one, I hate driving around a dirty vehicle. But I wanted to do this test for two reasons. Number one, I wanted to see if the coating will last a year. And number two, not only that, but I wanted to see if the coating would be damaged by the acidic nature of all the road film that has accumulated on there. We're going to be using the Purple Power Vehicle and Boat Wash to remove the road grime, and also to see if sort of do a stress or torture test on the Adams graphene coating, ceramic coating, to see if it damages it at all. Now, the road film that accumulates on vehicles is very acidic, and the Purple Power and a lot of heavy-duty cleaners that will remove road grime is an alkaline on the scale of acid and base. So it's very alkaline and helps to neutralize and remove and lift off the dirt very effectively. Wheel cleaners are mostly acidic, so you have different properties. You don't want to use really something acidic on your paint. You want to use something alkaline. Now, with that being said, I'm getting ready to show you what this looks like, and you're going to be pretty amazed at how dirty it is. All right, so this has pained me like you would not believe to have this looking like this for so long. This is absolutely disgusting. Now, part of the reason of having a ceramic coating is that it's supposed to make the surface slicker and will allow you to remove the road grime and film off there easier. We're going to see, right? But yeah, this is absolutely disgusting. I mean, it is really built up. So I'm going to go ahead and lift these up. And I'm going to get the foam gun out. We're going to foam this and let it sit and dwell for a while. And then we'll go back with our normal hand wash and see how much of this definitely bonded road film it will remove. It's going to be an interesting test. And we're going to see if the Purple Power will damage the ceramic coating. All right, that should be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this dwell for about 6 minutes. And we'll come back and we will rinse that off and see if it was able to remove any of the bonding contaminants. And then after that, we'll go and do our mitt method and see what kind of results we get with that. All right, here we are 6 minutes later. And I'm going to go ahead and fire the pressure washer up, and let's rinse this off and see what kind of removal we have of the bonding contaminants. right, so let's ask the question, did it remove all the bonded contaminants? Well, it certainly loosened them, but I'm gonna probably say that no, just doing a touchless was not enough to do it. However, I can tell you that, let me put the cab back in the up position. It certainly is much easier when you just barely put your finger across. So it almost just liquefies. Now normally, let me see, was there a place where I touched it when it was dry? Well, anyway, so the good thing is that it has loosened it. So don't expect that whatever cleaner you're using without agitating it is going to actually remove it. It definitely has softened it. So next, let's see how this performs and how this road grime wants to stick, if it does want to stick, through the hand wash. All right, so I've cleaned the truck and I want to show you guys the level of water beading that's on this thing still. It still holds very minimal surface tension for the water. It's got nice fat beads. And that's after 13 months, and nothing else has been put on here other than the Adams Polishes ceramic graphene coating. Pretty impressive. All right, so let me dry the vehicle and let's look at the final results. All right, guys, so I have got everything dried, and let me tell you, this thing is as smooth as glass. And you tell me, this isn't the best light to shoot in because it's so bright right now, but yeah, when I was washing the truck here, it felt like it had just been waxed. So 13 months with no washing. Obviously I'm not going to do that again, but yeah, it's the entire area where I did the ceramic coating on it feels, it feels like it was just waxed, buffed, clay barred, waxed, everything. So very, very pleased with how the graphene coating held up. I would say it's on par with my experience with Adams liquid paint sealant, which is my favorite sealant. And I couldn't believe that it got all the road grime and stuff off. I mean, it's all gone just from that contact wash. So guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. If you have not tried the Adams Polishes graphene coating and you're into the ceramic coating, I would definitely say give it a try. That's the only one I've ever used. I wouldn't probably do it again because I just don't like the application. I much prefer the Adams liquid paint sealant, but who knows? I may try a different brand for you guys or on another vehicle. All right, with that being said, thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you on the next one.